everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is a different kind of video today. As you can see, Layla just wants to go wait by the door. Let's see what she does. Okay, so I just wanted to do just a quick little vlog. I don't plan on going anywhere today or doing anything, but I need to wash my face. Like, I'm trying to get my skin together. As you can see, I have these bumps and these dark spots here, and on my forehead here. So I want to wash my face. I have this new routine I'm trying out just to see if it would help clear up my face. So I'm going to actually wash my face with the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap, just because this is what I'm going to be using. I use this for like everything: bubble bath, body wash, shampoo, whatever. So I'm going to use this to wash my face, to thoroughly cleanse my face. And I'm going to actually make a charcoal peel mask today, just to kind of like get rid of any blackheads, whiteheads, and any dead, dry skin. I notice it helps me to, I should have everything together. It helps me kind of reset my skin a little bit. It's between that and then the bentonite clay mask. So the only thing, I'm gonna make the mask first. Yeah, I'm gonna make the mask first because I just want to put it on as soon as I wash my face. Okay, so to make the mask, all you need is some activated charcoal and some non-toxic glue. So I'm just using the Elmer's school glue. So I just need to grab a bowl and a utensil. Okay, so I have my utensil, and this is all that you need. So I have the capsule instead of the actual powder, so I kind of have to break them open. So this is what it looks like. So just going to kind of break this open. So this is how much charcoal I have. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add the glue. So you can do this any way you want. You can do it through the nozzle or just take the top off. I personally like to take the top off just because it's easier to get everything out. So I'm gonna start off with a little and then add to it. So that's how much glue I added. that's how it's looking. It's all done. It's nice and thick. And the charcoal is nicely mixed. So now I just have to, about to fall. Now I just need to wash my face. So I like to do this on I'm sorry, tongue tie. I like to do this on a freshly washed face. That way I can make sure my pores are opened and it can deeply penetrate everything. So I'm going to put my hair up. I don't know where I'm going to sit this. Maybe right here. Oh, wow. Okay. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna let this dry and then I'll come back to show you guys if it did a little something. Okay, so it's dry. You can see I can barely move my mouth. Yeah, it's dry, so I was gonna take it off before I took Layla out. Mind you, this is gonna pull your skin. Try to see if I can get it off in one piece. You can tell the mask was because it's real ashy and red in those spots, but you can see the dry skin. Everything, all the little pimples are drying out. My face does look lighter. I feel the skin. It's not as rough. So this side isn't that bad. But this side, you just see like everything. It's crazy. I may do a bentonite clay mask, but I wouldn't recommend doing both of these masks in one day. That's just a lot on your face. So we'll look at this mask right here. There's a good bit of dead skin. And some whiteheads. So that's my cheek. That's my nose. That's my other cheek. So you can see a lot of like dead skin and whiteheads, or especially around my nose area. So that's why I like doing this mask, because it helps like clean out my pores and get any skin off that I couldn't exfoliate myself. Because it's been about a week and a half, 2 weeks since I did this last. That's why like it isn't as bad as the last time I did it, but I still got quite a bit of stuff off my face. So I'll come back once I like rinse this off and kind of like maybe I'll put some moisturizer on my face just to kind of cool it. And then I will be back. Oh, jeez. Okay, so I'm back. I rinsed my face with some cool water and I put on moisturizer, and this is how my face is looking. I don't know, I feel like it looks all nice. I feel like the spots aren't as visible this time around. Like you can still see like the pimples and everything, but my skin feels a lot softer. It looks brighter. Yeah, I think it looks cute. What do you think? Do you think it looks better? I should have did a before picture, but hopefully I can just cut a video over this so you can kind of see. I think the bumps up here just completely went away. Can't even see. But I'll try to do that so you kind of see it side by side to see the difference or whatever. But I'm going to end the video right here because I need to take Layla for a walk because she's ready to go. Look at her. Just looking at me. So I need to take her for a walk and get dinner started. I hope you guys really enjoy this video. This is different than what I normally post on this channel. But hey, I did say I was going to give you guys some different content. some different things or whatever. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I don't know why you haven't subscribed, but subscribe anyway. Say subscribe. Say subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.